Channel, it's me Prachi, and I'm basically at this restaurant called The Real Greek, and they have a lot of outlets in London. So basically they have, this one is in Marylebone, but they have one in Covent Garden, one in Soho, one is I think in Westfield. So a lot of outlets, maybe like upward of something 10 something outlets. But anyway, so what I'm planning to do is I want to like review all the popular Greek restaurants and all the kind of restaurants that I can obviously go to in London, and then I'll probably at the end I'll give them a rating as to like which are the ones that you should definitely try. So this is one on the list, so I like searched the most popular Greek restaurants in London, and this is one option. So I just came here and I'll tell you guys how it is. Also you can check out Groupon. In Groupon they have this amazing deal in which you get like a lot of options and it's pretty cheap. So for two you get this for, it's basically for £44, but you get it for £19 and you get like 8 dishes and like two soft drinks or something. So it's a great deal. I'm here for the one person deal, and let's just see how it is gonna be. Let's go. They have a lot of options and a lot of deals as well. So they have like this. Also, like I want to show you the drinks menu. So you have a huge variety. Also there's this 4 dishes menu which is available from Sunday to Thursday. It's from 5 p.m. and there's like this deal that you get. So it's 13.3 for a person. So this is something which is cool as well. So they have like 1 dish, 1 cold meze, 1 hot meze, and then 1 salad. So this is something you guys can look out for. But also the deal in Groupon is really cool. I'll show you the spread that I get after it, and I'm so excited. This is what I got for the cold meze, and this is basically the hummus. Sorry, what am I saying? This is the pita bread, this is the hummus, and this is the, I don't know if I'm saying it right, zatski. That's how I say it. I don't know if it's correct. And this is the pickle. So I really want to try this. I'm so excited. So first I'm going to try the hummus. That is just so good. And especially this bread, it also has herbs. So you guys should definitely try this. And I love the presentation. It looks so nice. Now I'm trying the other zatski. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Sorry. That is good. Okay, I was gonna say that is basically yogurt with cucumber and a few other things, but it tastes amazing. I really like the taste. And even this bread, it's so nicely baked and it's soft on the inside. It tastes really nice. I really like the presentation. I really like the food, and you guys should definitely try this. I love their starters. This is so amazing. I can't wait for the main course. I think this is like so much food. I think I can complete this, and then there's more main course. I think it's a great deal. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the main courses here. So this is the main course. It looks so nice. Basically, for the side I ordered saffron rice, and this is the jackfruit stifado or something. This is the chickpea phyllo pastry, I think, or something else. I don't remember the name. Anyway, so this, I'm gonna try this. It's completely fried. I didn't know it's gonna be completely fried. I'm sure it's gonna be great, but I like avoiding fried stuff. I'm just going to show you what this looks like. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It has chickpeas, filled with chickpeas, and oh, I'm not kidding. It actually tastes like an Indian chickpea curry. Just dry. It's really nice. I really like it. Anyway, next I'm going to try the rice with the jackfruit stifado. I keep saying it wrong. Anyway, so this is so I like it. It's tomato puree with jackfruit. I'll just show you what it exactly looks like. So it's
jackfruit, it has mushrooms, it has tomato puree, it has onions, some coriander. I like the way it tastes. It tastes amazing with the rice. So this is what I got for main course, and I got some chips on the side because there are like so many things to eat. This is so much here. I'm so happy, and this food is amazing. I love this place, and well, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna eat now. Bye bye.
Amazing. I really liked it, and do come here, and I'll let you guys, I'll like make videos of other places as well, but this is definitely like one of the places that I really like. Their hummus was extremely nice, and also well, the names are pretty I mean, I'm not really used to the names of the dishes, so I don't really remember the names, but there's this jackfruit main course which is extremely nice, and also with the rice and the jackfruit, that tastes amazing. So yeah, I mean, you guys can come here, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye, have a good day.